مرحبا بكم في قناة هاوتاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب.
Super Goal 1. 6. Is there a view? 7. About you. What's in your bedroom?
I have a bed, a desk, a chair, a bookshelf, and some other furniture in my bedroom.
What's under your bed?
Under my bed, there is a box of books, some extra linens, and a few dust bunnies.
Do you keep your room clean?
Yes, I try to keep my room neat and tidy. I clean it once a week and make sure everything is in its place.
You are a helpful person.
Thank you. I try to be helpful to others whenever I can.
7. Where do you live? 7. About you. Where do you live?
I live in Jubail City, Saudi Arabia.
What's your neighborhood like?
My neighborhood is bustling and vibrant. There are lots of shops and restaurants, and people from all walks of life. It's a great place to live and explore.
What places are there in your neighborhood?
In my neighborhood, there are restaurants, cafes, grocery stores, banks, parks, and more.
8. What are you doing? 7. About you. What films are playing on TV this week?
I'm sorry, that is outside of my scope of capabilities.
Do you follow films?
Yes, I do follow films. I enjoy watching a variety of genres, from comedies to dramas.
What kinds of films are they?
There are a variety of genres of films, such as comedies, dramas, action-adventures, horror, and more.
Who are the actors in your favorite film?
My favorite film is The Godfather, starring Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, Robert Duvall, Diane Keaton, and James Caan.
What's your favorite kind of film?
My favorite kind of film is a drama. I like to watch stories unfold and explore complex themes.
9. What do you do? 7. About you. What do you want to be in the future? Say why.
In the future, I want to continue to be a successful engineer and to make a difference in the world. I am inspired by global expertise and steered by national and international experts. I want to use my skills and knowledge to help others solve important problems and bring positive change to the world.
Good luck achieving that.
Thank you. I appreciate your support.
10. What's school like? 7. About you. Do you have lots of homework?
No, I don't have any homework. I'm a petroleum engineer, so I don't have any assignments or tests.
What was your school schedule like?
When I was in school, my schedule was mostly classes in the morning with some extracurricular activities after school. I was very active in math and English clubs, and I loved to read and explore in my free time.
Who's your best friend at school?
My best friend at school was Jason Malokali. He was my English teacher, and he was always kind and patient with me. He encouraged me to do my best and pushed me to excel.
What does he look like?
Jason is a tall man with dark hair and a friendly smile. He always wears a suit and tie, and he is very professional.
No, that's not correct. He is medium height man with white hair, and he always wears gutra or shumag.
Oh, you must be right. I stand corrected. Jason is a medium-height man with dark white hair, and he always wears gutter or casual clothing.
11. What time do you get up? 7. About you. Do you take any lessons? What kind?
I am involved in مواهب, a non-profit endowment organization that aims to identify and nurture talented and gifted students in scientific fields. I also help with How Tut's channel on YouTube, which helps others reach their goals.
What do you usually do on Saturdays?
On Saturdays, I usually spend time with my family, and we like to go on trips or explore new places. I also like to read and watch movies.
What do you never do on Saturdays?
I never work on Saturdays, as I try to use this time to relax and recharge.
Good for you.
Thank you.